How to apply a color filter in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app and hold phone. After hold phone, click on this four dot icon and click on filter icon. After click on filter icon, so if you want to apply a color filter in camera, so you will see color filter is here. So you will apply color filter from here. After apply color filter, click picture. After the process, so that's how you can apply color filter in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.